Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to become a driver on takealot.com in 2023. So, if you're looking to join the delivery team in one of the South Africa's leading e-commerce platforms, you are in the right place. So, let me take you through the process of how to become a driver on takealot.com. So, let's dive in and get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open your browser, of course, you can simply go to this URL section, simply type takealot.com and hit the enter button. That will take you directly to the home screen or main screen of the Takealot websites. And of course, if you have an account, make sure to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply click on registration and you'll be able to sign up or create an account. You'll be able even to log in or create your account with Facebook accounts or Google accounts if you didn't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you did one of these options, you'll find yourself here logged in into your account. And of course, the first step to becoming a driver on Takealot is to ensure you meet the requirements and eligibility criteria. So takealot.com, of course, usually requires drivers to have a valid driver license, of course, which is known and necessarily to even drive a car, and of course, a reliable vehicle and a smartphone. So make sure your driver license is up to date and that your vehicle meets the platform specifications such as age, condition, and insurance coverage. And of course, to apply to on takealot.com, you will need to visit the official website or download the takealot.com driver app. Of course, you'll have to fill out the application form with accurate personal information and provide the requirement documents such as your driver license and vehicle registrations, and be thorough and ensure all the information is correct before submitting your application. Of course, you'll not find it here. You can simply open a new tab as an example and type take a lot driver and hit the enter button, and of course go to this first link, and as you can see, become a driver. And what you need to own a smartphone required with Android V7 or higher for delivery apps or and GPS, South Africa ID or work permits for foreign nationals, valid SA driver license, nationality or national and international driver license for of course the international for just foreign nationals, and of course your own motorbike or light vehicle, and proof of address, proof of bank details, vehicle registration or RC1, and of course the valid roadworthy certificate and a clear criminal record. So if you have any criminal record, you'll not be able to apply for this driver and the take away or take a lot, sorry. And of course the benefits of working as an independent contractor for Mr. D take a lot. Of course, we operate from Monday to Sunday, premium rates offered from Friday to Sunday, personal injuries insurance offered to ensure our driver partners are protected and covered against any personal injuries, and whitelist on duties, and of course free training provided to successfully applicants, and of course access to free road emergency responsive service and fill out. So simply, if you want all of this, you will have to fill out an easy application form, and we'll contact you with the closest branch. And of course, for any queries with regard to your application, you can contact this email, drivers at takealot.com. And of course, you'll have options of working part-time or full-time, and you will even provide the training, so you can view the privacy and policy here. If you want to really apply for their application, make sure to read all of this, because so you are aware of everything and you will not get scammed or anything like that in the future, so there's no conflicts. And of course, simply, if you want to apply, click on apply now, and as we said, you will have to fill everything here with accurate information. So simply, please ensure you have the following documents if you want to apply for it. As you can see, ID book or ID card or passport, work permits or asylum documents, non-SA citizens, South Africa citizens if you are not a South African citizens, you'll have to have this asylum documents. And if you are, you will have just you'll need just this work permit. And of course, you will even would like to have a driver license card, a vehicle license disc, and proof of address documents. And of course, these documents will need to be photographed when completing the application. So please ensure that your browser has the access permission to your camera so you can take a picture of them and upload them to the website. So here, do you have a vehicle to drive? Of course, if you click on no, you'll not be able to apply in this website. So make sure to answer yes. Android 4 with version 7 and 4, yes. As an example, convicted of criminal offensive, no. Consent to a criminal record check, yes. As an example, or no. So as you can see, if you answer anything like that's they didn't meet the requirements, as you can see, we apologize, but we cannot take your application any further, but because you didn't feel or you didn't apply for this following requirements. So make sure to follow all the requirements, and as you can see, agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to answer with yes. As an example, so let me do now here, and agree to the driver policy and privacy. So make sure to go and read those as well, so you are aware of everything again, and you will not have any problem with them in the future. And of course, here you'll have to simply enter your contact details. So if it's just a first name, mobile number, and email address, then of course you'll have to confirm and continue. Once you click here and confirm and continue, you'll have to provide a picture of all the things that showed here: ID book or ID card or passport, work permit, a driver license, vehicle license, and proof of address documents. And of course, Takealot prioritize the safety and security for its drivers and customers. So as a part of the process, of course, background checks and conducted to ensure the integrity of drivers. If your application is approved, you may be required to undergo training sessions or orientations, or to familiarize yourself with takealot.com delivery process, and of course customer service standards and safety protocols. And then of course you'll have to do some vehicle preparation if you get approved. So before starting deliveries, it's important to create vehicle or your vehicle for job. Ensure that your vehicle is clean, well maintained, and meets all safety requirements. And you may need to install or configure the Take a Lot delivery app on your smartphone or GPS device to receive delivery instructions and navigate efficiently. And of course, once you are done and approved and everything, you will start, of course, accepting and completing deliveries. So you can, of course, start accepting deliveries requests through the driver app. So be sure to keep your availability updated on the app to receive the delivery offers while accepting deliveries. Pay attention to the pickup and drop off locations, so and customers' instructions and delivery time frames. So safely transport the packages and deliver them to customer with a friendly and professional attitude. And of course, takealot.com provide an excellent customer service, and so that is essential for you. You'd like to have a good communication with customers professionally, and make sure to be just good. And of course, you can simply ensure a positive delivery experience for every customer. And lastly, of course, Takealot offers various payments and comprehensive models for their drivers. So you may receive payments per delivery or based on other metrics such as distance or time. So familiarize yourself with the payment structures and ensure accurate records and keeping, of course. And Takealot may provide additional incentives or bonuses. So keep in mind that's in mind. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've actually know how to become a driver on Takealot. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and comment or leave a comment in the section if you in the bottom section if you have any problem. And of course, you can go and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next video.